Forza Horizon 6 server is not currently available. Please try again later on PC. 1. Check Forza server status. Open browser. Check Xbox Forza server status. Wait if servers are under maintenance. Try reconnecting later. 2. Restart your router and PC. Turn off your router, wait 30 seconds, restart router and PC. Launch the game again. 3. Sign out and back into Xbox app. Open Xbox app, sign out of your Microsoft account, close Xbox app completely, sign back in, launch Forza Horizon again. Number 4. Disable VPN or proxy. Turn off VPN software. Disable proxy settings. Restart internet connection. Retry online connection. Number 5. Sync Windows date and time. Open settings, go to time and language. Enable set time automatically, set time zone automatically, restart PC. Number 6. Enable Xbox services, press Windows R, type services.msc, find Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Networking Service, set both to automatic, start services. Number 7. Reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Open settings, apps, select Xbox app, open advanced options, click repair, then reset, repeat from Microsoft Store. Number 8. Reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run get appx package microsoft.gaming